Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
And my name is Chris. And Nick, what have we got today?
Today we are taking a look at XRP and the latest upgrade that will be a game changer. But before we get into that, just a cheeky reminder to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and in doing so you'll be kept up to date with all of the live streams and videos as we release them. And as always, if you're a big XRP fan, go ahead and smash that like button. Chris, shall we go ahead and take a look at the markets?
Yeah, before we do, don't forget if you're well into your XRP to leave a comment and let us know, that you fill in those bags, because we do like to know, don't we, Nick?
Absolutely, fantastic. Right, let's go ahead and check and see what's going on over on the XRP chart here. So this is XRP. It's currently trading at 24.3 cents. Just here, we've got a market cap of $11.027 billion, and the all-time high, obviously, that we're all familiar with, at 392 there. So obviously circulating supply is 45.285 billion. And if we take a look at the last 7 days here, it's been a bit turbulent, to say the least. And if we go down to the last 24 hours, much better in terms of where we were versus where we are now. So we were yesterday in the range of 23 cents, and now we're up at 24 and a half, approaching cents wise, with a daily high here of 24.54. So pretty good day for XRP here in terms of their growth, and I can give you the percentage if we just come down here as well. XRP is up 2.38, and the market cap has been a significant movement where we have gained over 20 billion in crypto market cap, which is fantastic to see. Some significant movements happening in the overall macro landscape of the crypto asset class. Now, if we take a look at the XRP chart here, we can see how things are progressing. So what I'm going to do is to see if we can do a retrace, a fib retracement, and see where we're trading currently for this July-August bull run that we had here. So let's just put a fib retracement on here and see what's going on there. So we're just going to grab it. I'm going to grab it from this little point here rather than this low here. I feel this will probably give us a conservative look. I just need to do it on the right way around. Start at the high and come down to the low, and then I'm just going to drag it this way and we'll see where we are trading. So we are firmly within the 50% here. So we are between the 38 and 50 levels, and you can see how we've kind of been bouncing around this area for a while. We broke through the 38 and retested and broke back through today. So we're going to see if this can kind of hold. If we can close above this line here, I would have thought that we'd start to see some upward motions again, and it'd be really good and fantastic to see if we can break through this line and move in the upward direction. So time will tell how that kind of progresses. But I am pretty confident in everything XRP at the moment. This is a long-term hold, isn't it, for us, Chris? It's not something that we, overly look at on a day-by-day basis. It's something that we're going to be holding probably until minimum of 2025, I would have thought. But I am incredibly excited for the flare drop and everything that's going to bring utility case-wise to the project here. So there's not much of a trend going on, I have to say. There's probably more of a trend in the downward area, not really, and that's only 2 touch points. So yeah, it's going to be one that I believe we're just going to trade sideways for a bit until probably early December, where we'll start to see some significant runs. And we're expecting, Chris, aren't we, a bit of a bull run in terms of what's going to be going on for the XRP token in December with the flare drop, etc.
Yeah, and I think it's going to be interesting to see what happens with Bitcoin, because that seems to be breaking out right now as we talk. So yeah, we'll monitor that, and we'll be back in touch if anything major happens, won't we, Nick?
Yeah, perfect. So before we go any further, let's go ahead and see what some analysts are saying in terms of pricing. So here we are. We can see that charted Ripple XRP bulls face uphill task near the 24 cents. So what are they talking about? This is 2 days ago. So obviously we already broke past that 24 cents now anyway, but let's just see what they were talking about here. So Ripple started an upside correction from the 2280 support against the US dollar. XRP price could start strong rally if it clears the 24 cents resistance zone, which is what we've seen that just happened today. So Ripple is struggling to gain bullish momentum above 24 cents resistance as USD. The price is now trading well below 2350. Well, it's not anymore. And the 500 simple moving average, the SMA, 4-hour candle. So there is a crucial bearish trend line forming with resistance near 24 cents on the 4-hour chart on the USD XRP pair. So what is the hurdle that we're facing here? So in the past few days, there was a steady decline in XRP's price below 25 cents. Support, the price even broke the 24 cents support zone and settled well below the 100 simple moving average 4-hour candle. So it even spiked below the 23 support level. A low is formed near 2286 support. 2286 level, and the price is currently recovering. Besides, there was a strong increase in Bitcoin above 13,800, and even Ethereum, the ETH, also climbed above 385, but XRP is facing a lot of hurdles. So here we are, we're talking about these kind of levels here and what we're talking about. So it seems they're like the bulls are facing an uphill task near 24 cents and 24.40 levels. A high is formed near the 24.42 and the price is declining. So there is crucial bearish trend line forming with resistance near 24 cents in the 4-hour chart for the XRP USD pair. So an initial support is near the 2365 and it closes at a 50% fib retracement level of the recent upward move from the 2286 level to the 2442 high. So the major support is near 2350 level at the 61.8 fib retracement level of the recent upward move, which from the 2286 low to the 4282 the 2442 high. So on the upside, the price is clearly facing a huge resistance near 24 cents. To start a strong rally, the price must break the trend line resistance and then gain pace above 2440. So if we just hop back on over to here, we can see we're at 2430.30 currently. And if we hop back in, our high here had broken through at 24.54. So we'll see if we can manage to pull that back up a little bit and close above the 24.40. Which is another key line, and then the next marker is the 25 cents level there. So that hopefully gives you guys a bit of an understanding as to how those charts are trading. And the next really big kind of bullish news, Chris, is the upgrade that is happening for XRP. So let's have a look and see what all that news is about. So here we have Ripple executive says proposed XRP upgrade will be a game changer. So here we can see that Ripple chief technology officer David, he does love taking to the Twitters and etc., doesn't he, the social medias, and announcing things and just making general news for the XRP, which is fantastic. But he says the new XRP ledger, the XRPL upgrade, will be a game changer. Each server in the XRPL has a unique node list, a UNL, containing its list of validators. The new upgrade will account for validators that may be offline or malfunctioning due to hardware maintenance, internet issues, attacks, and/or external circumstances like natural disasters, according to the XRPL website. So the native UNL is a list of trusted validators which are believed to be offline or malfunctioning as declared by a consensus of the remaining validators. So validators in the the negative UNL are ignored for determining if a new ledger version has attained a consensus. So again, he's on social media here with the Twitter. If you think there's anything I can do that I'm not doing, please let me know. It's just hard for me to engage with someone so awful. So by the way, this feature will be a huge game changer for XRPL's UNL evolution, and then he's linked that in there, and he's replying to a specific bunch of people here when he says, it's hard for me to engage with something so awful. So it can bring up the feed and we could have a look at that, but I'm not going to get interested. I'm just going to continue with this article here, of which I will link in so you guys can have a look at this as well. But David here says the upgrade, which can currently be used in test networks but is not yet available as an amendment to the XRP Ledger protocol, will make it easier to enable more diverse validators. So when choosing a validator, performance is not only criterion, justification, institutional commitment, network redundancy, commitment to the network, and many others, other factors have to go into that. The biggest advantage of the negative UNL proposal is that it will make it much easier to say yes to more diverse validators. So even if they are running on a single residential connection with a tiny machine in someone's living room. So to the Ripple CTO highlights that the negative UNL can also enhance the XRPL's decentralization. It significantly reduces the risk associated with adding more validators, allowing us to improve decentralization without risking liveliness. So Chris, that's an incredibly bullish piece of news there. It basically is going to allow a lot more diverse validators to actually start contributing to the decentralization of the XRPL, which I think is just going to be absolutely massive for everything XRP moving forward. I'm not sure what your thoughts are, Chris.
Yeah, I think it is a game changer, as David Schwartz has suggested. I think there was a period of time where the XPL didn't grind to a halt, but it definitely slowed down. Yeah. So this definitely stops that from happening in the future. So yeah, fantastic news, really important. As particularly we start to look at mainstream adoption in the future.
Absolutely. So hopefully, guys, you really enjoyed this video, this just cheeky addition that we put out today. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Really show us that you're into the XRP community here. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. In doing so, you'll be kept up to date with all of the live streams as we put them out and all of these additional videos that we release. And with that said, we hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll see you all again for the next live stream or video. Until then, have a great day.
Take care. Bye.